So today I have the Probass Flex from Boult Audio. Let me unbox it and check out its cool features, and let me give you an opinion based on my thoughts. But at first, my intro. In 3, 2, 1.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it.
Hello guys, today I am back here with the Probass Flex by Boult Audio. It's a Bluetooth headphone, and let me unbox it and check out its content and what are the features that comes with it and what are its special features. So this is the box, and this is the main product, and also we get accessories. And here we get extra bass, built-in microphone, then HD bass, 3D acoustics, 1 year of warranty, and built-in micro woofer. And in the side it says unplug yourself, and at the top we get a picture and the Boult logo, and here on the sides too. And at the back we get the how it looks, the physical overview, and as you can see here some informations are also given over here. The MRP is written over here for 225, but actually I bought it for around 1500 rupees. And this is the box itself, and here is the headphone. So out of the box it looks pretty pleasing. Let's see. And it folds in such a manner. Let me keep the box aside, we don't get anything with the box, and it folds open like this. And let's see what else do we get. That's the accessories. So here we get a 3.5mm to 3.5mm jack. Then we also get a micro USB cable to charge it. Any micro USB cable will work. And then we also get a product catalog. And so these are the offerings of Boult Audio, what products they also offer. And here is the registration for warranty, as you can see over here, and at the back side. And nothing else in this box too, and this box was empty. So let me put this box aside and I will describe you about the physical overviews of this headphone. So here is the headphone. It is pretty flexible, so you can twist it around and it will fit any kind of hair shape and size. And the ear cups do not tilt that much, but there is a slight tilt, as you can see over here. Also, I found the most annoying thing in this product was this wire sticking out, and it looks like it will break just out of here. See, it stretches when you stretch or adjust the height, adjust the length of this headphone. And except this one, I felt it pretty good. And let me get a physical overview. At top band we have the Boult logo over here, and the top band is padded a bit. Also the ear cups are padded, and this feels quite soft, to be honest. And we get 3 physical buttons over here, and they gave a nice tactile feedback. So the top one is a multifunctional button. If you press it and hold, it will turn on the headphone, then play, pause, and to receive calls. And if you press this side button once, it will it will increase the volume, and the left button will decrease the volume. But if you press and hold, it will skip the next track, and if you press and hold this one, it will skip to the previous track. And then we have on the left side we have got nothing, I mean no button, only the logo, and by here it is written, and you can identify through this one, that right, and here we get the left. So by this you can identify which cups to wear, and the buttons are always on the right side, and in the bottom side we get a notification LED over here. Then we get a micro USB slot to charge this internal battery. Then we get a aux in and a microphone. Yes, it has a built-in microphone, and I have tested its quality, it's pretty good. And also the aux, if you run out of juice on this device, you can plug the aux cable that is given directly in the box, and you can experience and enjoy the music on the go without even charging. It works just like any other wired headphone, so that's a pretty cool feature, and especially while gaming it gives also no latency. So the music quality is pretty good, and the connectivity features is also pretty fast. So I can show you over here. I have this device, and if I press and hold the power on off button, it says power on and it blinks. So now if I turn on the Bluetooth on my device, then search for the device, as you can see it says over here Flex Q12. So this is the device, and pair, and the pairing is done, as you can see. And let me try to give you a short and simple B-roll while playing the music through these headphones, and you will get the idea of the quality and also a nice cinematic shot. If you ask for my opinion, I would give it a 4.5 star out of 5 if you want my opinion based on the sound quality and product comfort. I wouldn't recommend it wearing for too long, as the clamping force is quite high, and wearing it for more than 2 hours gives a bit of warmth in your ears. So a little bit of break of about 15 to 20 minutes will work nice. And the audio quality is pretty nice, as you can hear, and also the vocals are clear, and especially the bass, because it has got the micro woofers as they advertise on the box. So yeah, that was pretty much it. So that was all with the video. If you liked my video, please give this video a big thumbs up, and I am reaching 9,000 subscribers pretty soon, and I know I will hit 10,000 subscribers too. Please subscribe down below if you haven't already subscribed, and press the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video you get instantly notified and you can check out the video. Please subscribe to my channel and also share this video to whomever who is planning to buy this product, and also it will be a pretty nice gift for someone if you want to buy it. Thanks for watching this video. Bye, take care.